So to find additional keywords to the keywords you already have, you can go over to the AdWords Keyword Planner, and this will give you the ability to quickly get keyword ideas as well as create different phrases and options here to do your keyword planning. And this also helps in video creation because it will give you a whole bunch of ideas if you're stuck on what videos to make and what topics are going to be related to your channel. You can type in a keyword for your channel here or keywords for other videos that you've made and get a whole bunch of ideas for new and additional videos that you can create. So if you don't have an AdWords account, you can sign up just using your Gmail. So just use the same account even that you're using for your YouTube if you don't already have one. And you can just go to under Tools and then go to Keyword Planner, and from there you're able to select and find this keyword planning tool, and then you could enter in the search term, the keywords, and you can get ideas here. You can also modify and customize the search, and whenever you've come up with a whole bunch of keyword lists, you can just quickly download them by doing the download ideas. You can select all 801 of them, or you could be more selective, be a little bit more deeper into the keywords that you're using and break that down as a little bit more. So you've got some options here for keyword filters. So average monthly searches, if you want to break it down by that, if you want to break it down by suggested bids or ad impression share, you can break that down over here. Or if you want to see particular competition, so high, medium, and low, you could break down your search that way within using the filters. So within options, you've got an option here to have only show items closely related to my search terms, show keywords in my account, show keywords in my plan, show adult ideas as well. So those are some additional options, and here you can just do keywords to include. So this is these are keywords containing the following item. To exclude keywords, add negative keywords using your targeting options as well. So you've got a whole bunch of options here, as well as date range, and here you can enter in your negative keywords. So you can enter them in here. You can do targeting on Google and Google search partners, so that would include all of their search partners that they have, as well as you can base it by location. So you've got the United States, and you can get a little bit more specific as well, city or region, as well as languages. So a whole bunch of options to find current keywords and popular keywords that are trending right now. So you're able to see all the different statistics, how much they're being searched, and you can also see here, this is the monthly searches for the past year, and as you can see here, Xbox video games has gone up considerably within just the past month of April 2015. So it's gone up probably 10 times what it was previously. So this would be a good time if you were optimizing for those words to jump on that particular trend. So Keyword Planner, definitely one of the best tools out there for creating huge lists of keywords and then going through them and breaking that down within your research and strategy development. So Keyword Planner from AdWords.